Here is step-by-step guide how to create BitGet Wallet account on your phone. So first of all, let me find BitGet application on my phone and tap on it. And after that, tap on this arrow and again, okay. So now I can tap on create a new wallet. And right here you can choose whatever you want. For example, mnemonic wallet or keyless wallet. I prefer using mnemonic wallet. So right now you should set PIN code. For example, 1, 2, 3, and just please verify wallet password. So right now just wait a couple of seconds. And that's it, wallet successfully created. You can tap on got it button at the bottom. That's it, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about BitGet Wallet. See you next time.